how to connect and add bank account to TikTok Shop. Hey guys, in this video, we'll teach you how you'll be able to incorporate your bank account information in your TikTok Shop. Simply go to your TikTok account and go to your profile, click on the three bars menu and click on the balance. When you click on the balance icon that's right below the business suite, you will be routed into a page where you will be able to see your TikTok Shop balance, and you'll be able to easily check your rewards here and a lot of more information. You can also manage your coins. So if you want to add a bank account information and connect it, just simply click on the options right here, wherein you can click on get coins. That's on the black card and you'll be able to see that I currently don't have a balance. So for us to add a balance here or add your bank account information, click on the get coins buttons, and then you will be routed into a page where you'll be filling out details like your debit or credit card information. But before anything else, you need to actually choose on which coin balance you'll be inputting or transferring into your account, and you'll be able to see here that it's actually directly connected to my Google Play payment informations. So you can actually click on more payment methods. So you have other options here, whether you can use your debit or credit card, your PayPal, Shopee Pay, you have GCash and Paymaya. So in this case, I'm currently using GCash. Simply click on buy, and then from there, you will be able to connect or add coins into your balance here for your TikTok Shop. And that's basically it. That's how you add and connect your bank account information here on your TikTok Shop. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!